just before sundown on one summer's eve. Me and my buddy saw something that you might not believe. In the spring of '64, my three buddies and me, drove out to the drag strip to see what we could see. And when I pulled off the road outside our hometown, we were witnessing that Beach Boys song, Shutdown.
Shut you down.
At the line sat a Dodge with a 413.
Yeah.
And a fuel-injected Stingray so shiny, red and clean.
Red and clean.
The revving of their engines made a deafening roar. Then at the goal signal, away they both tore.
Really tore.
Stingray's tires were spinning, creating a blue cloud.
Blue cloud.
The 413 dug in as its engine roared loud. But at the far end of the drag strip was a nasty dogleg curve.
Dead man's curve.
And around it came a pickup, making the big Dodge swerve.
Really swerve.
Dead man's curve made the big Dodge swerve. It was a matter of survival, not a lack of nerve. Well, we never found out who would have won that high-speed duel, but we told that story to everyone at our high school. Brian Wilson implied the Stingray won when he wrote his song, but my money was on the 413 to shut that Stingray down.
Shut him down.
Yeah, that Dodge would